welcome to TOYSREVIL. Today we'll take a look at this blind box series. Hayao Miyazaki fairy tales. This blind box series purchased locally. I purchased this during Christmas. I haven't had the time to open it until now. So what I am going to do is I'm going to unbox and post daily until I have a finished set. Okay, if that makes sense. So for everybody to see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figures. The 5th figure is Chase. But what's available inside? Let's have a look first. This is a 4 per box set. So it's tricky. It's either I have the complete set, excluding the Chase, or I'll have an uncompleted set, including the Chase. Just cross my fingers there's no like double figures for this, but then again, I would know. I am totally unfamiliar with this series. We'll have a look at the box. China series. I don't think this is licensed. I don't know, but it calls out his name, so it's a bit tricky. So consider this an introductory video. Now we'll look at the box in detail, then I'll do unboxing videos shortly after this. So per box, these are the 4 figures. Pretty cool. It's like a cute versions of Studio Ghibli characters. $8 Sing per mystery box, Miyazaki series. Total. And that's why I bought it in Tampines 1. This is the Chase. I can't remember what's the Chase. I don't know if I took a picture of the display set. I'm sure I did, but yeah, I need to dig out for it. Otherwise, I know what the 4 standard figures are, but I don't know what the Chase is. I can't figure out. Is it a tree? I can't. So yeah, we'll check this out soon.